It's just the same as the rest. That's good. Knees and thighs. Push with your hands. Knees and thighs. Now, give us a wink for the camera. Right, you're doing well, Don. Now this next bit. Knees and thighs, remember, Don. Push them out at the back. You okay? Go. Well done. Knees and thighs, well done. Look at that. It's quality. Well done, Don.